Hey guys, check out another awesome build by Jay at Glow Fixtures.
Yo, what's up y'all? It's Jay and I'm back, and you can see I'm building a coat rack. It's another one of my honeydew projects, knocking them off the list. And here we have a coat rack. You know, my wife wanted to buy one, but I figured why not make one? Gives me a chance to get in the shop and build something awesome. So right now, I'm creating the base where we'd be sticking our shoes in. You know, guests come over, they put their shoes in, and I walk around my house with the dirty shoes. And I want it to be secure, I want it to be solid, so I had a beam up here to be like a base. I began taping it so I can paint it. And this is the top part. A lot of my projects, there are like huge gaps in the recording because I simply forget to record. But yeah, I put this together. This is the top, and I began to put a wax sealant on it. Usually works really well with this paint. And I realized my brush is way too tiny. Again, gonna record me finishing it. Fast forward to me making the seal, my family seal that I'm gonna be putting on this coat rack. And I began putting it in the machine. And this is my first time making something this big, so I did mess up a lot. It looks like it's going well here. It did not end well, so I decided to paint the face black and then start from scratch. And you know what? It's looking good. I like the way this looks. This ended up being the end product, the last attempt out of 3. I'm just lying. It was like 6 attempts, but I then began cutting this out. Starting to come together. Brought it in the house to test it out, see how I like it, and I liked it. Wife liked it, so it's ready to move on. Begin adding the coat hooks, and again, I skipped that whole part. And here we go, man. I think it came together very well for something I've done for the first time. I've never built a coat rack before. I never used a CNC machine at least to this level. And I think it looks good, man. Anyways, J-Phil.